everyone! So kung matatandaan nyo, naglumpia war kami ng ate tsaka ni Direk Paul and ni Mikey. At ako ang nanalo. Alam nyo kung ba't ako nanalo? Kasi naglagay ako ng lumpia chips na nagustuhan ni Sevi in Sir. Lumpia chips. Kaya naman ngayon, syempre sa buhay kailangan, pag nagustuhan mo isang bagay, magtrabaho ka para makuha mo. So pagtatrabahuhin natin ang aking pamangkin, pero syempre ako pa rin nakikita. Ngayon, gagawa tayong lumpia chips, Sevs. Do you remember the lumpia chips?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Crack the egg. Sige. Okay,
Yeah,
next.
I know. I'm too pro.
And then put a little bit of you and me. Haluin mo. Tuto ka maghalo. So, pag nahalo na yan, i-half natin yung lumpia. Ganyan lang kadali maglumpia chips. Fry. So, ganyan. Yung kasama kong magluto, wala na. Oh, ganito, Sebs. Like this lang. Oh, like this and then like this.
Easy! I do that in kindergarten. So easy.
Sige, gawin mo ngayon. At iba-iba na display nitong lumpia chips ko. Walang kadating-dating tong... Oh, like this lang. Oh, oh.
Mine is so bad. Mine looks like siomai. There, it's fine.
Yan, dami. Dapat ganyan lang siya. Oh, yan. Ganyan. Oh, ngayon ilalagay na natin.
Oh no, we're cooked.
Sevi!
Sorry. Accident! And I'll do it. I can do it.
Sevi, if you look for a girlfriend, pwede bang kamukha ko dapat?
Yeah, no.
Why? Bakit?
I will never look for one.
You get a funny girl and a girl like Tata, okay?
Why?
Because Tata is your first love.